Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can sign into your Bungie.net account. Well, it's very easy. So the first thing to do is simply open any kind of browser. I'm going to go with Chrome, and in here simply search for Bungie.net. After searching for it here, simply click on enter and we'll get to the Bungie.net website. Here you can see this is the website, and in here you can see sign in option. Here if you simply hover your mouse around here, you will get this pop-up from which you'll have to now select the platform that you have linked your Bungie.net account to. I have linked up with my PlayStation account, so I'm going to click on PlayStation. Just like this, here you can see we also have the Steam, Xbox, Epic and Twitch option. You can click on either of those. I'm going to go with PlayStation account. And just like this, we'll get to this particular link in where you'll have to now enter the email address or the sign-in ID of your PlayStation account. Just like this, here you can see I have entered my email address. Now click on next. And after doing that, here we'll get to the password option from which you'll have to now type down the password of your PlayStation account. Just like this, here you can see I have done that. And after typing that, all you have to do is simply click on sign in. And after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully been logged into our Bungie.net account. And just like this, you'll be able to do that. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.